Peace from the Garden of FEODRORA. We had an almighty rain last night. A fantastic rain. Yeah, it's time for me to separate those right there. But today we're here to talk about potatoes. They're really tall and they've come up to the top of the bucket. So what I have to do now is put this soil in there so I can cover the stalks. See, check it out. See all that space? That should have dirt all around it. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so got that done. Now what's going to happen is the soil, I'm going to put more in here, don't worry. The soil is going to hit those stalks, and where the stalks are touching the soil, hopefully we'll start to get some great potatoes. This happens over the course of a few months, maybe 3 to 4. This is going to get taller and taller, and then around August or September or so, these will turn yellow and begin to fall back. Once that happens, then I know it's time to pull this up or turn the bucket upside down, and then we'll have our potatoes. But until then, all my growers and showers, I'll see you soon. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of FEODRORA.